Alright, welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how I cut the house wrap out and install a window. So there's a bunch of different ways to do it. I'm going to do the eye cut, where you just cut right across the top, right across the bottom, and then right down the middle, fold the sides in, and we'll go from there. So you can do an X cut too, but I don't know. The professional Tyvek guy said to do the eye cut, so we'll go with the eye cut. So on the inside, we're just going to use this Tyvek tape, just to tape and hold it back out of the way. All right, we're gonna put the window up in now. So he said to caulk around the outside of the window when you stick it up there, but don't caulk the bottom. So if water comes down, it don't run along the caulk line and rot your wood out. But make sure you caulk your window before you stick it up here. I'm getting ahead of myself. So Lowe's didn't have the Tyvek like he talked about, but they had this 9-inch window flashing. So I'm going to use this and run it along the bottom. So let's put that on there now. All right, this stuff is super sticky, so just be careful, because if it folds up, you might as well throw it away. So you're gonna have to cut slits. The Tyvek was very stretchable, so it would fold in, but this stuff, it's not gonna fold in. So I'm gonna have to cut a slit in it and fold it over. And since we're gonna have to do that, I'm going to add these in the corners. Now I don't know if this is the right way, but this is the way I'm gonna do it. I would definitely make sure you get the Tyvek 6-inch flex tape. All right, let's get the window up there. So that's why it cuts out the top, so it can lap over the window. Comes back and tapes over that, tapes the sides. I got some 4-inch tape, but let's nail it in first. I got 2-inch galvanized nails, so I'm gonna put some nails in to secure the window. I'm using 2-inch galvanized nails. anytime you're using nails outside, make sure they're galvanized, not like common or anything like that. They'll rust out if they do get wet. All right, so this is the 4-inch tape I'm going to run down each side of the window. I'll start at the top, give me about 4 inches at the top, and then run it all the way down, probably 4 inches past the bottom. So at the top here, make sure you lift it up and then stick your tape to your actual header underneath the wrap. All right, I'll show you all what I'm talking about. So yeah, like this. And then our next piece of tape will run from here all the way over, under the wrap. So let's put that one up there. House wrap back down. And then we'll tape this with this Tyvek tape. It's just kind of like Scotch tape, but a little thicker. And you're just taping the house wrap back to the window. And then a 45-degree from the top here to the window. So it's this cut right here is what he's taping. So let's go ahead and stick this tape over this cut here. All right, and then that's the tape there. Only thing is this should have been 3-inch. It should have been 3 inches wide. So I'm gonna go back and put another layer of tape over top. And that's what flashing a window should look like, according to the Tyvek Professional. All right, I hope that you guys got something out of that quick video. I'm gonna try to make more quick videos and not take up so much of your all's time and get good information out there that I find on YouTube, because I'm no professional at all. I'm just copying what other people do and trying to build this house. So if you like videos like this, if you want to see the whole house build from start to finish, it's on my channel. Just click on it, and it'll take you through the series. But right now we're gonna get back to putting up the T111, and hopefully finish that up today. But subscribe and like the video if you got something out of it, and if you want to follow along, it's I'm gonna keep making videos out on this house. I got to do the roof. What else do I got to do? We're gonna paint it. We're gonna do the inside, all that good stuff. I'm gonna try to keep it under $10,000, which I think we can. So we're gonna have a tiny house for less than $10,000. So follow along if you want to see the next video.